Hey, I hope you are having an amazing day. Hey, I wanted to hop on here and let you know that I was on this awesome training the other day on email marketing, and I got 5 amazing tips that the pros use to get their open rate sky high. If that's something that you would be interested in, if you would like those 5 tips for free, just drop below 5 or yes or me, and I will get them out to you because you definitely want to be doing this. And this is for any type of business. This is for the online business, the network marketing business, the brick and mortar business. It's affiliate marketing business, any type of business that you can think of. You want to be doing this because if you don't own your list, flat out, you don't own your business. Let's take 2020 and let's let it help us realize that we need to take control of a lot of things, including having total control over our business. That's where I'm going. That's what I'm doing. And I would like to take you with me on this journey. So if we have another 2020, we'll still be good. I love you. I thank you for being here. If you're not already in the group, click the link below. Come join us in the free group to get free tips from not just me, but from thousands of other women that are doing the same thing that we are doing, and some men, and we're rocking it. Let's do this thing. It's Patti Allred, and you can come see me at pattiallred.com. That's PATTIALLRED.com. I will talk with you soon. Click the link, join, subscribe, follow, whatever it is, whatever platform you're on, and let's secure your future. I love you.